Welcome to the next class of digital marketing. In this session, we will learn what is Google Analytics. You will understand what is Google Analytics, what are the benefits of it, and how can you set up your website with Google Analytics. Let's begin. Introduction. Google Analytics is a web analytical service that tracks and reports website traffic and mobile app traffic and events. This was developed by Google and was launched in the year 2005. Google Analytics is a tool or a website which helps you understand how many people have visited your website, from which country the people are visiting your website, what are the cities, what are the states, what is the age of the person, how many people are spending time on your website. Everything you get in Google Analytics. As the name suggests, analytics of a website can be seen with the help of Google Analytics. Now let us understand the benefits of Google Analytics. I'll be listing a few benefits here. You can try and experiment for the other benefits yourselves. View real-time visitors. Real-time website visitor tracking allows you to view visitors' location, referrals, and current page as well. That means we can check in real time that how many people are on our website, what is the device which they are using on, how many seconds or what are the pages they have visited, and what is their location. Location in the sense, which country are they from? We can check that out. Let us test it live so that you will understand it better. Now, I have connected the website of Bhagat Shivakumar, which we did with the help of GoDaddy. I have connected it with Google Analytics. Now, I am at the real-time page where you can see the real-time users. Let me visit the website and show you the results. So I'll be spending around 20 to 30 seconds on this site, and you will see the real-time results in this page. Now I am at the home page. Now we have a video with this. We can even play this. Now once we are done with the home page, let us visit the About page, where I can see the description of what he has done. Now let us visit the projects page. So now I guess it is more than 30 seconds. Now let us go back to analytics. Now you can see one user. That was me. I'm using the desktop. Here you can see that. Now I have gone from Google, as you all know. Here, all users. Now see, I have visited the home page, about page, and the project page. I have not visited the contact page. Now you can see this is the magic of Google Analytics. Now you can see what we have done on the page. It is mentioned here. Page view, user engagement, scroll. We did scroll the website. These are the things which can be done with the help of analytics. Now, when I go to reports snapshot, I can even see the country. You can see this top countries, India. I am in India. I'm opening the site in India so I can see the country. So since we haven't visited the contact page, it is not here. Now we have something called as bounce rate. Bounce rate indicates the percentage of visitors who leaves a website after visiting just one page, which can signal slow website loading speed or poor page content. If our website is slow, if the loading time of the site is very slow, people might end up visiting some other sites. And poor page content is nothing but if we have some irrelevant or unwanted content on our site, people will leave our site within a second. A low bounce rate indicates a high engaged audience. That means bounce rate will be in terms of percentage. If the percentage of bounce rate is less, then your website is working good. If the bounce rate percentage is high, the performance of the site is not that good. Let us understand with an example. Here you can see bounce rate is close to 47.32%. This means the bounce rate is more. If your bounce rate is around 30% or even less than that, then it will be considered as good. But it depends on the user and depends on the content which is there on the website. If the bounce rate is more than 70%, then it is a big worry to your website. So bounce rate has to be less. Now the next thing is average time spent on a page. For each specific web page, discover how long each visitor stays on each page on average. Here we can see what is the time duration a person or a user spends on our website. Session duration. This metric is different from average time on page as it calculates the average time spent by a visitor on your entire website rather than a specific page. This tells us how many minutes or how many seconds a user have spent on our particular page. That can be seen in the analytics section. Here you can see average session duration. It is 3 minutes and 13 seconds. So this is the time spent by a user on a particular website. Moving on, we have users. Google Analytics allows businesses to track the number of website visitors each day, week, month, and year. It also provides insight into the days and times with highest traffic. It tells us which particular day our website got least amount of traffic, which day the website got highest traffic. Google Analytics will help us understand that. Now here you can see number of users is close to 12,797. This is analytics of some particular page. Now here we have page views, that is 78,287. If one particular page is performing well, then that particular page views will increase rapidly. Now, the next thing which you can see with the help of Google Analytics is the age of a particular user. Google Analytics displays site demographics, including the age of website visitors. The next thing which Google Analytics gives you is the gender. On the screen, you can see how many percentage of females have visited the website, how many percentage of males have visited the particular website. This tool will determine the percentage of male and female website traffic. You can also see through which particular device is the user checking our website. This shows the percentage of website users accessing it from mobile phones, desktop, or tablets. Here is a real-time example. 57.4% of people uses mobile phones, 37.1% uses desktop, 5.5% tablets. This is the analytics of one particular website. You might get something different. This is just an example. With the help of Google Analytics, you can also check from which country, which state, or which city a user is visiting your website. Here is an example. For the country, Canada, United States, India, United Kingdom, and Australia. So people can visit your website from all over the world. If you connect your website with Google Analytics, you will understand where are your users or where are your customers from. This is an example for a country. Now let us understand the state and city. So California is a state. The cities mentioned are the cities which is in California. So this is the power of Google Analytics. Now let us understand how to set up Google Analytics with your website. As you all know, we have created websites with the help of GoDaddy as well as WordPress. You can click on the I button. You will get to know how to connect your site with Google Analytics. So this is the brief or the basics of Google Analytics. You can try experimenting this website. Try it, experiment it. Thank you. We'll see you in the next session.